Hey everyone, my name is Manu Osoba, and then I just want to give a trade breakdown on like how I got this trade on BTC USD. So, as you all know, market has actually been on a massive downtrend for weeks now. So, all we actually looking for was like look for point of interest, like then continue selling the market. So I actually call out this bias on BTC USD, this bias here. But then during this week, when this actually played out, I actually had something doing. I didn't really look on the chart, so I couldn't catch any of those sales. I was actually pained because I didn't even set an alarm or anything, so I didn't know something like that was actually going on. So just this week, yeah. So within this week, I actually caught this sell setup on BTC. So BTC is on a downtrend. So what did I do? On my 4 hour, I saw BTC saw that BTC actually broke this level here. BTC broke here. There's actually a clear break of structure here to the downside. So okay, what did I see? I saw a pullback. And this pullback actually gives me what the inducement I'm looking for. Inducement is just like a form of like liquidity. So yeah, these are the things I look out for when I get a setup. Like these are the kind of things I look out for before I take the trade. So my break of structure or my market structure shift, or same as the change of character, then my inducement, and then my valid point of interest. So where's my point of interest here? I can see a breaker block here, this side. Here's a breaker block. Here's a breaker block. And what's a breaker block? A breaker block is just a failed order block. Yes, so I just don't sell when I see a setup like that. I know market is actually on a downtrend, but I just don't sell aggressively. I wait for a confirmation. And what's my confirmation about? My confirmation is all about what? A change of character, an inducement again, and then a point of interest. So in as much as market has been on a downtrend, I actually needed that confirmation like very well to actually know that this market actually has like 80% probability of what selling. So I came down to my 15 minutes time frame, sorry, 30 minutes time frame. And what did I see? I said that there was a clear market structure shift from this level, even from this level. Yeah. So let's mark here as well. The market structure shifts or like a change of character to the downside. And just after the change of character, what did we see? We saw a pullback, an incomplete pullback, giving us an inducement over here, leaving us with what? A very nice order block here. Some people call it order block, some people also call it a supply zone. Yeah, so I was actually waiting for was what price to come tap into my order block here and then what give me or go into my direction or sell. And so market actually came tap into my POI, my point of interest, which is what the order block, and started selling. But then what did I see again? I actually saw that on my 5 minutes, market actually left another order block here. So as market started reversing, I know I'm not a break even trader actually. So I knew this market was actually going to sell. So when market started retracing back into my entry, I spotted this order block here, and then I just marked it out and then set another limit there. So when market got there, you can see the drop actually drop to my take profit. Yeah, it's as simple as that. So this is how you catch like this, like an A plus setup. Yeah, so and I caught full take profit. First is 1 into 16 RR, the second one is for 1 into 17 RR. So I got this full take profit here. As simple as that. So now what am I expecting on BTC? Since price is bearish, what am I expecting? Can actually see that on the 4 hour again, market broke structure here. Yes, like a multiple break of structure. Yeah, broke structure here and broke another structure here. Yeah, and what did we see after this break of structure? We got an inducement here. Here's an inducement here. So what are we looking out for? Then we got the inducement. We're actually looking for price to actually tap into this point of interest, a breaker block. So I'm actually going to mark out the whole breaker block here like this with the order block. So yeah, something like this. So when price taps into our point of interest, which is this area, we are not actually going to start selling aggressively. What we are going to do is to what? Wait for our confirmation. We know market is already on a downtrend, but then we'll still wait for our confirmation before selling. And that gives us like a high probability that the trade is actually going to hold. You get it? So what was our confirmation about? Our confirmation is a change of character, an inducement, and then a valid point of interest. It's as simple as that. So to keep this video very short, we're actually going to keep this video very short like this because it's already complicated, I know. But then if somebody wants to know something about, like, wants to learn something or wants an explanation on something, so the person should just drop it in the comment section, and then uh, we'll see how we can actually. We are all learners here. I'm not perfect. I'm still learning. So if there's some faults or somebody has actually found a fault in this video, you're allowed to give your own opinions on it. Yeah. Thank you. Mano Suba here. Yeah. I'm out.